All right, percussion friends, we're going to be learning how to do Linus and Lucy through Bandlab on a Vibraphone. So get into Bandlab, go to my library, click on Mix Editor. Once you're in, you're going to go to Import Audio and MIDI. Find the file that I gave to you inside of the Canvas assignment and choose it. Now that it's up, test it to make sure it plays. All right, sounds good. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're going to click back, make it start over. We're gonna make sure these settings are all set to off. Okay, good, count-in's off. We're gonna rename this project real quick, Linus and Lucy, just so that you don't accidentally overwrite this project at some point if you wanna use it. We're going to go to Add Track. We're gonna go to Instruments. And then we're going to click on this little piano doodad. We're gonna go all the way down to Percussion, which is right above the piano word. And then for the secondary choice, we're not going to use bells, no bells. We're going all the way down to Vibraphone. Vibraphone is a really great instrument. Once you've got that Vibraphone set up and you've tested it to make sure it sounds good, octave 4 or octave 5 will work for this. Let's go over the notes that you're going to play in this. You're going to play a B flat, a C, and a D. B flat, C, and D. Okay, J, comma, period. You also will have to be responsible for playing E flat and V, D and V, or E flat and F are the note names. Practice along with me several times, make sure everything is going well, and then when it's time, make sure your instrument is armed, which it is, the blue line is shown up. And then we're going to click go and we're going to execute. So this is the performance of it. You're going to need to practice this quite a bit to get it in time. That's fine. That's expected. And then once you're ready to record, you can try your recordings. It may take you multiple tries. That is okay. Don't get frustrated with yourself. And also remember, you can cut parts out that don't work and re-record them as long as you're fast enough with the stop button. So if you need to play half of it and then stop and then kind of regroup and start again, you may. Here we go. J, comma, and period. 1, 2, 3. Here's the phrase again. I'm thinking about D and V. Here's D and V. J. It's gonna feel many more times than last time. This is the last time. Stop. Okay, everybody, once you've got everything figured out and you've got your part finished, make sure that you listen back to it to ensure that it sounds good. It's pretty close to spot on. I can do a little bit of adjusting in my editor if it sounds pretty close. That's pretty solid. If yours is more off than that, then go ahead and redo it and try to get it as close as you can to what I'm doing. All right, now at this point, it's just like we did for the Whip-Nay song. We're gonna go to Download, Tracks. Once your stems are ready, you're gonna download the one that says Instrument. That's the one that we need. It's gonna drop into your files. So if you look at the right-hand side of your screen, bottom where my cursor is here, if you click that, it'll show you what you've downloaded lately that are different types. This is the one that you're going to pick, the most recent, most leftmost file. Yours will be called maybe Instrument 1 or whatever, but there it is. It's always the one that's on the far left of this little screen right here. So again, you just click on this and then grab that when you go to upload it into the Canvas assignment. Once you do that, you're done. Good job on this. I'm proud of you, and we'll see you next time.